So let us cover the last topic in EBS, that is EBS encryption. Now, it's a very small topic, but it is yet very important topic. That's why I wanted to create a separate video on it. And in the following video, we are going to see how we can encrypt the actual EBS volumes, right? So yeah, so when you create an EBS volume, you get the following things which are listed here in the bullet points. That is, data and data in the rest is encrypted, and all the data which is moving within the instance and the volume is getting encrypted, that all the snapshots are encrypted and all the volumes created from the snapshot are also created encrypted. Okay, now the next thing is whenever you are encrypting or decrypting a snapshot or volume, okay, you don't have to do anything. Everything is handled transparently and you don't have to worry about anything, right? Now you might be wondering, if we are encrypting any volume, any snapshot, right? Will it create any sort of latency where there might be some fluctuation, but we won't be observing it, right? There is a minimal impact, but we won't be experiencing it in terms of use case, right? EBS encryption leverages keys from KMS, right? That is AES 256 bit hash, right? Now, what is KMS? That is Key Management Service by AWS. Okay. Now, how do we create a encrypted volume if we don't have an encrypted one? So basically, we'll create a snapshot. We'll after creation of the snapshot, we'll encrypt that snapshot. Okay. After copying the snapshot and encrypting the snapshot, we'll create an encrypted volume from that encrypted snapshot. Okay. Now, copying and encrypting snapshot allows us the encryption, and snapshot of the encrypted volumes are encrypted by default. Okay. Now, let us understand what's the actual procedure that we need to follow for encryption and encryption of EBS volume. So first of all, you need to create a snapshot from an already existing volume. Once the EBS snapshot is created, you need to create an encrypted snapshot using copy. Okay, and then once the encrypted copy of snapshot is created, you can create an encrypted EBS volume from that encrypted snapshot. Okay, and once that volume is created, you are good to go. Now you can attach that encrypted volume to your instance. All right, now how do you how do you delete the snapshot? How do you create a snapshot? How do you copy a snapshot? And how do you encrypt a snapshot? How do you encrypt a volume? That we will see in the upcoming video. All right. So yeah, that was all about EBS encryption, and see you in the next practical demonstration.